Here's how to remove WooCommerce breadcrumbs from shop pages under 1 minute. Just head over to Appearance and then Customize in your WordPress dashboard. This opens up that live preview thing where you can actually see what you're doing. So open up one of your product pages in there first because you want to see those breadcrumbs sitting there at the top. Next, scroll down until you see Custom CSS and JavaScript. Click on that and it opens this little code editor. If you've got other CSS stuff in there already, just push it down a few lines to make some room at the top. Now here's the magic part. Type .site-breadcrumb and then hit your opening curly brace. Hit enter. Type display : none semicolon and then close it with another curly brace on the next line. That's literally it. What this does is tell your browser to completely hide anything with that breadcrumb class, which means they vanish from every single WooCommerce page. You should see them disappear right away in your preview. Hit publish and you're done. Works with pretty much any WordPress theme, since WooCommerce uses the same class names everywhere, and if you want them back later, just delete those 3 lines and publish again.